Nothing is more dangerous for your diet than deprivation. If you insist on never eating any of the foods you enjoy, you are headed for trouble. One can only feel like he or she is missing out for so long. Eventually, feeling deprived can make you feel anxious, angry, and lead to out-of-control binging. The cycle goes something like this: you feel deprived, so you eat a large amount of a forbidden food. Then you feel guilty for what you've done and drown your sorrows in more of the off-limits contraband. This cycle can keep you from sticking to a healthy diet and lifestyle faster than almost any other roadblock. Diets that work best are those that include occasional treats. When you allow yourself to have the foods you crave, you don't have to feel bad about eating them. You can enjoy them and then go back to your healthy plan. It's hard for many people to wrap their brain around the idea that you can have your cake and your diet, too. In fact, if you don't have some of the foods you enjoy on occasion, you're more likely to binge and eventually just give up. There's no such thing as a food that's forbidden. As soon as you do that, you'll be on the road to self-destruction. To stick to your diet, you need to calculate favorite foods into your healthful eating formula. Some foods that feel like indulgences, even though they're not, can help you to feel satisfied and crave fewer of the higher calorie, low nutrient foods. Some good things you may want to work into your diet plan include dark chocolate. A little dark chocolate can satisfy your sweet tooth and give you powerful antioxidants. Fruit is nature's candy. It's sweet, easy to eat and full of vitamins and minerals. Yogurt. Flavored yogurts can help you to indulge your sweet tooth without expanding your waistline. Fat-free pudding. This is a sweet treat that tends to be low in calories and high in flavor. Eating these items will help you to regularly indulge your sweet tooth without blowing your diet. Then you'll have a little wiggle room to enjoy a piece of chocolate cake or a chocolate chip cookie on occasion. Want to quickly flatten your belly and burn 1 pound of belly fat every single day by making a simple red tea detox drink? Click the link below this video to discover the amazing red tea detox recipe, redteadetox.co.education.